What is up? How's everyone doing? What's up, Slava, Eric, Chris, No YB? How's it going? Are we live? Can you hear me? Yeah, I think we're good. He says, "What's going on, my man? Was hoping to get your take on Arrow. Looks like it's holding in the golden pocket." Arrow. We'll see if we can get more than 20 people in here today. I know we're still bearish, but gotta keep grinding away. Got 8 people in here. Yeah, we'll look at Arrow, my man. See if we can get a couple more people in here. Yeah, Bitcoin ain't doing anything. Arrow. What is Arrow doing? Yeah, we got a sea of red again. It's just not there yet. Let's see. Yeah, Arrow's still trying to hold up here. She's right below the 786 there, right above the 236 here. So as long as we're above 154, yeah, as long as we're above 154, if we can get through 162, we're back in business. There's a nice looking candle forming here. I don't know what you mean by the golden pocket. I haven't used the golden pocket in forever. That was years ago. But the whole chart is curled up here. It looks really good to me. Even though we got this market correction, everything's kind of bleeding out, but a lot of things that we watch are holding up. So as long as you're above 154, we're good. We already wicked down. What's today? Today's Saturday, so it is the weekend. You could drop 23% if you drop 154. Eric says CRV. Yeah, but yeah, I'm still very bullish on Arrow where it is. CRV's coming down still above the 382, so your macro bullish over 73. If we wouldn't have had this correction, there's a good chance it would have held the 0.5 and maybe continued running here. CRV. Yeah, and if we go on the smaller one, you're still above the 382. The double 382. So as long as you're above the 7.3 area, you're good here. Back over 8.3 would be a real good step, and that'll send you up to 1, back over the 0.5. But right now it's just dipping down like everything else. Yeah, where's Curve going? $10 for a 13x. We're all the way up here. 24 billion market cap to $19. 24x. Yeah, the music's not too loud, is it? I switched the music up. Let's see here. Let me bring it up. Realistic price prediction on Curve. Curve is an older one. Why did I type that in? Let's see. I mean, it all depends. What do you guys think? You think these older coins are going to make new all-time highs, or they're just going to have retracements? Curve is almost at $1 billion market cap. Okay. A realistic conservative target would be a 786 retracement, but we're already over halfway there. Be a 4x up to 320. But $1 billion market cap, you know, in a bull run, you could easily get to 10 billion. Yeah, so I say $10 would be a good. If it's going to make a slightly higher high, I'd say $10. Good round number. So maybe you wick up here above the high. Yeah, and do about a 13x to 10. Or a slightly higher high, maybe you hit $6 for a 6 billion market cap. I think that's very possible. Too many pages open. I'm lost again. FET. What's up, Stevie? KRC20, practically Casper. You think it's dead? What is KRC20? You mean Casper or Casper? So KRC20, is that the Caspa blockchain pretty much? Is that what that is? I have no idea what it is. If Caspa is going to be big, which I think it will, then yeah, KRC20 is going to do real well. Don't they have meme coins on there already? Casper, the meme coin. Okay, so Casper on KRC20. That's what you're asking. I have no idea. Where do I find that at? Casper, the ghost of Caspa. Okay. Alright, let me look at FET real quick, and then we'll try to hunt down Casper. Maybe it hits here on TradingView, I guess, because it's not on Deck Screener. Oh, FET came down. Oh no. She's still holding up. I think this is where it was when we looked at it last night, wasn't it? High to the low. You're still above the macro 786, above the 236. You're right below the 382 at 130. But the big thing I'm noticing is the higher lows. As long as you're holding, as long as you don't go lower than the 786 here, you should be in good shape. Still with the curl up, even with the dip down. Yeah, I said this last night. If I had the money, I would buy in right here. Take the gamble. If it falls, it falls. But this is a very good looking chart. One last time, triple bottom with higher lows. If we just turn things around, this thing will start going up. FET. Yeah, where's FET going? All right, it's on. Okay, we'll look at it. If I remember correctly, Fed has all the coins out. I know they had the merge with the other coins, but I just don't remember their market cap right now. What they did. That's why I said I wish someone would come up with a. I don't know if it's possible. Is it possible for someone to make a tool here on TradingView? Make a Fibonacci tool so when you scroll it up and it comes up with the prices as we see here. All right, they're at a 3.3 billion market cap at the moment. Yeah, I like Fed at all these prices. 1245, 30 billion market cap, 9.5x, and then hold a bag up to 67 billion market cap, 20x, $27. But like I always say, it'll probably hit like 30. But the overall chart on Fed here looks amazing. Casper. You said Casper. Dang, 100 million of them already. What's up, Samurai? How you doing? Casper USDT. Yeah, we've never looked at this one. This one here, did it just come out? Yeah, I guess that's the only chart for it. I would say it'll eventually go up once Caspa starts running and more people get on the KRC20 and pile into those meme coins. But right now, I just made a lower low. But this is where you want to buy these things, these meme coins, before people know about it and they buy in when you're clearly still in a massive downtrend here. But yeah, this looks kind of like the coins we look at on Deck Screener all the time. We're looking for the ones that are just going down into downtrend, and once they finally start to curl up a little, that's when you buy in. If you want confirmation a downtrend is going to be broken over 3021. But as you say, yeah, it'll be something once Caspa runs. Caspa gets listed on exchanges, people pile into the meme coins. But right now it's just making lower lows. It looks like it tried to hold a bottom here and then it just broke it. So still has the chance to go down here. Let's see, we can do one more thing on Casper here. Casper, yeah, you're sitting right on the 236 just perfectly here at 1.5, if you can see that. If it gets back over, so that confirms the bottom for now. Any lower than that, then the bottom's not in anymore. It can go lower. And then once you get over 186 here, you're back to being bullish. And then you can clearly see 0.5 and that larger 236. Once you get over that, downtrend's going to break. And then if you want the best confirmation, once you finally get up to the 382, back test and then start moving back up, that would be it. We got 18 people in here. How's everyone doing? Let's see what the votes say. 18% said no, they did not hit the like button. Nice. Oh, only 17 votes. The reason I did that poll there is because we always have a lot of times close to 100 votes on these things, and we got like 20, 30 likes. So now when these 100 people come in and out and they see the poll, they'll maybe hit the like button. We'll get 100 likes for once on a live stream. That would be nice. But yeah, that's a good one there. I mean, just because the chart, I mean, if it comes back to life, then... what else are we looking at here? Yeah, I did an update on Luxo earlier. I didn't realize they had 2 coins. This is the new one. Yeah, I haven't even looked at DGen today. I know no one's asked yet, but I haven't even looked at DGen. I can't even look at it. My once $113 DGen is down to like 50 bucks. Oh, we're still holding a penny. Still holding that penny. When are we gonna go up? That's the question. Yeah, not a problem, my man. Realistic. Yeah, we got everything, I think. We'll get more people in here as the day goes on. I have nothing else to do at all. What's up, Joe? How you doing, my man? Yeah, what are we looking at? DGen. Yeah, Luxo's up 22%. D-Bridge, whatever that is up. Alien Base is still holding up. What did Myro end up doing? Myro's still holding up. Made a new low. Still holding bearish market structure, lower highs and lower lows. So Myro is not bullish at all right now. Oh man, Polyswarm came down even more. Still over the 382, but that's a giant red candle wick. Jeez. Yeah, I was hoping the market would turn around this weekend so we can actually have people come in here and have stuff to talk about. What's up, Shadow? 1 like equal 1 look at a coin. Yeah, when we only have 10 to 20 people in here, I don't mind looking at you guys' coins. But when we get a whole bunch of people like we used to have, remember that one day we had over 80 people in here? But when people start getting in here and we start asking for 10 coins each, that's when we're going to have to say nope. Darren, how's it going? He says ABT price prediction. You guys hear the music okay? Yeah, same thing with what we just talked about on Fed. If I had money to get an ARC block, I would buy ARC block right now. I don't know why that was moved down. Sitting right on the 0.5 at about 150. Let's pull this down just a little bit. Still holding structure, still in the bottom formation here. Has not moved out of it. So as long as you're above about 150, 149, Your good price to beat is 164. And then, you still could come down to the 618 and still hold structure here. One last dip, 10.5, 11% to 135. If it came down there, I would still be bullish on this thing right now. And then prediction on ABT. What is our price? Top of the fib here, 30 bucks, 31, 3.1 billion market cap. And a 20x on top of the already, 70x this thing did from last October. And it's in this formation here. But when I say get into this thing, not financial advice, of course, but she's potentially about to do a 9,500% move here. So a 2x up to about 295, could go higher. But we've seen a lot of things out of this formation because we're bearish, they'll pump and they'll get stuck. But if this stays in this formation and the market flips and everything starts to move back up and then this thing moves out of here, you could very well get a 3.5x up to $5 out of this pattern here. We've seen that on a lot of things where they just took off from that same exact pattern. So that's one of the reasons I'm very bullish on ABT here, where it is. Yeah, I agree. Anywhere between $10 and $50 possible. Yeah, it may go higher than that. I mean, if it does, we'll just kind of adjust the chart and see what we can see. Same thing with, let's see, we got 15 people in here, 21 votes. More people will show up after 5, probably 5 and 6. But the same thing with AOS and, well, not exactly, but AOS and PNG. Is PNG still holding up? Yeah, see, PNG still above the 382, above 30. As long as you're above 30 to 31, 382, 1414, back testing. This thing looks extremely strong right now with the market the way it is. This is that same formation, and then you can see this one hit the first resistance, 1618, but then the market had this correction, so it probably would have kept going. But yeah, same deal here with pretty much everything. The things that did pump out of this already are coming back down to it. So yeah, ICP is coming back down to the formation, to the bottom. This bottom formation. And she came down from the last time we looked at her too. It looks to me everything's coming down or holding up for one last buy the dip opportunity here before we make that next leg up. It's going to happen though. I mean, everyone's bearish right now, but we're going to go back up soon. Even if it's another 2 weeks of bearishness. The new year. What's up, Janky Legs? Darren says thanks, sending some money on Cash App. Merry Christmas. I appreciate that, my man. I appreciate that a lot. Waiting to load up on more Jasmine. Yeah, we'll see what happens. 10%, 20%. Yeah, what you guys think about the playlist today? LCX. Still doing the same thing. What is... We keep doing this on every stream. I want to check the bearish ones. See if they're holding up. Myro, Vara. Vara's still holding up here. Pretty much holding the 618. Vara could be a good play here. Oh, Velo's coming back down. Coming back down so we can load up. Everything's coming down, it looks like. But very good looking chart on Velo here. I like Velo too. And then Velodrome as an example, of course, that formation, and then she just took off. Same thing with Spa, and what else is out there? I can't remember. What happened to Win? Oh no, Win is dying. Oh yeah, we did look at Win last night. Win and Myro just died here. Win didn't make a new low, but it came down. Jeez. Sitting on the 786 here. But that's what I'm saying. We're seeing everything either hold up good, or they're back down and they're holding supports, or they're holding up on a new low. Load up more Jasmine. Jasmine and Ondo. Yeah, Jasmine on the weekly is starting to come down. The momentum. Overbought momentum. But she is holding over the previous high. Still a good looking chart. Looks almost like the arrow chart a little bit. And like I keep saying, we're bearish as hell right now, but we're holding up. Yeah, you're over the 236 and you're over the previous high. So as long as that holds, you should be in good shape here. Ondo's going to be a very good play. Jasmine, what did Jasmine do? Wait, I covered Jasmine this morning. There's an update on it on the channel. Yeah, we're just getting another chance to buy in. That's my opinion. Everyone who's scared to buy in now and they're selling, I don't know what to say to that. Yeah, you're still above the 0.5 here at 3. Lowest you could probably go is 2.6. You could go all the way down to the 7.86, but still holding up here. If you fall below 3 pennies, then 2.6 is next, 6.8. If you don't get a nice bounce there, then we got a problem. But that's another 18-19% drop. But you are holding and you are forming a wick here over 3. Price to beat is 3.6 to be back to being bullish. What's up, Kush? What is Deep Boo? Oh, Deep Book. That's what I was thinking. I'm banking on a wick to 269, then climb out. Yeah, it could happen. As long as we stay bearish here. Deep. Yeah, we'll just look at it on the 3. Yeah, it's holding up well. 3-day candles here. It's holding over the previous high. So that's a good look over 9.6. As long as you're holding that. At least it doesn't have a red candle here. And you can see daily candles getting stuck right at the 1272 at 12.8. So that's your price to beat. But this one doesn't look bad. It came out, went to the moon. It's curled up here. So if we flip bullish now, get ready for this thing to take off. Yeah, you're over the 236 over the previous high, so 10 down to 9 is your price to hold, but it's looking good here overall. Excuse me. Just a very good looking chart. I don't even know what deep book is. What is this? I'd have to go look this up. Yeah, because we don't even have market caps on this thing. Deep book to the top of the fib, $3. What's up, Michael? He said, don't buy the dip, it's still dipping. Yeah, I mean, you just got to take the chance, I guess. But what we're looking and seeing pretty much is everything is looking, everything's holding up, everything's still looking macro bullish. If we drop too low, then we're going to break everything. Everything's going to break. 4 hour looking for exit on my short. On deep book. Oh, you're shorting it right now. Did you short it from that little top there? You are right on the 382 support to be bullish at 10.7. Any lower than that, and next up is 10. You'll drop another 6.5%. I don't know. I mean, the momentum is shifted down, but it's still up, so doesn't mean anything until this gets below 50. At least confirmation wise. But any lower than the 382, that 0.5, but then there's a good chance it'll come all the way down to the 618, maybe a wick below. But it's holding up well on the larger time frames, but that's your support you're on now. DGen, yeah, we just looked at DGen. DGen's still holding a penny. Hasn't really moved, it's just sitting here bearish. My little bag of is half gone already. Overall, still holding up. It really, I guess it really can't go lower than it is now. Let's see. Yeah, if it goes lower than a penny, then you will hit 0.08. But broke down below 618, got stuck, and now it's still bearish. But it is trying to hold a penny very well. We'll see if it holds up. The Awakener of the World says peanut. Ista for 2 says Degen is a bottomless pit of pain and despair. Yeah, I mean, Peanut. Why are you saying Peanut? You talking about Peanut the squirrel? Peanut is a Great Depression. What's up? Welcome back, Slava. Yeah, the next support I see is 0.08 down to 0.08382. If it loses a penny. 12 to 20% drop. I mean, I don't mean to laugh, but it's just, it's ridiculous. Alright, we did deep book. Peanut. Alright, I think we have a chart on Peanut. Best thing to do is lower your average, yeah. Ain't peanut going to zero? Peanut to zero. Let's see. Jeez. Alright, she's sitting right on support here. 2618. You know what? Let me draw a new one on here because I don't like this one. Came all the way up to the top of the fib and got stuck. It's crazy how that plays out like that. I remember when Arrow came out, we did the same thing on Arrow, and then it came right to the 4236 top, and then that's when it pulled back, and then it went up from there. Of course, you know, if this thing starts going up, we'll draw a new chart from the high to the low here. But right now, it's sitting on 59, 2618. Price to beat is 880. That is. But that's pretty much all we can really do. She is on support. We'll see if it holds. And low to the high, you're down below the 382. You just broke the 382 support. You were holding the 236 here. Then it just broke down. Now you're below the 382. So any lower than 5.9, then below the 382. Let me pull that back up. You know, there's a chance this thing can go way down. It could go all the way down to the 618 if it wants, but any lower than 5.9, 2272 in the 0.5 here for about a 25% drop. But if a 618 retracement comes into play, 50% drop on this thing. But it is on support. Oh, and then one last thing we could do is high to the low. Yeah, bottom is going to be back in and confirmed once you get back over that level there. 236 is right on that 3 level. So back over 80, you're in good shape, and that's the bottom. And then bullish over 109. What's up, Kevin? Why did alts get deleted? Imagine if Bitcoin goes to 50K. There's no way that's going to happen. No way. We're right at the beginning of the bull market. We drew on here. We drew on here just to see Bitcoin 90K. At most 80K to stay bullish here. Yeah, it seems to be the Fed meeting just killed us. Let's see. But yeah, I was hoping on getting my YouTube check today, but it's the weekend, so now it's not coming till Monday. So now I gotta sit today and tomorrow. I can't buy anything or gamble. It's possible XRP will be bigger than Bitcoin. Anything's possible, I guess. But I don't know. Bitcoin's Bitcoin. Anything's possible, but I don't see it happening, but you never know. Oh no, AOS is breaking down. AL's lost a 236 support at 95. That's not good. Unless it gets back over that, our little bull flag pattern's out the window. So we'll see if this wick gets bought back up, but PNG's still holding up though. But AI seems to be a front runner, so maybe PNG's gonna break down. Then all hell's gonna break loose. ALGO's still trying to hold to be bullish over the double 382 here. Yeah, what is Elon doing? Where's Elon? Yeah, maybe I should go out to the monthly on Elon. Yeah, it looks like she's hitting that. I think that's a 618 support. Wait, did we look at this last night? Yeah, we did. We're repeating history. Elon here, one giant monthly candle. Yeah, we went over this last night. She just went vertical. And then right now, getting stuck at the 382, 236 rather, 20. So a monthly candle over this is probably going to confirm. Same way we saw on QNT. Once it bottomed out, we zoomed out and we saw the better story. But yeah, once it gets through this, and once it gets through the 382, big old double bottom with a higher low, if it holds up here, then giant candle, not like that, but you get the idea. But yeah, she came down a little bit. If Elon breaks down and comes back down to the trend here, if I have money, I'm going to buy in there. BTC has to hold 90K or the bit bull market's over. I agree. I don't think it's going to break down past 90K. Like I said, if it does, then... Can you check ABT? Bought a big bag, he says. AVT. Yeah, she's still coming down, so you just bought a bag. I guess you want to know if it's on some sort of support here. But, yeah, sitting right on the 0.5, if I can get this to stick right. Right on the 0.5 at 247. Still could drop another 13% to the 618 and get a 618 bounce back up. Right now you are on support. If you get back over 283, you're good. 272 to 278. 272 to 283, that is. But still holding structure. Bought a big bag of AVT. This is what I'm saying though. We're on this final structure support. How much lower can we go? Unless, like I keep saying, Myro and these other coins are front runners. Because they done broke down. What was it? AIT, Myro. There was another one. Oh yeah, Win. Yeah, AIT, we went over this last night. This thing came down and hit that final 786 support once again after breaking down, so that could have been it. It's getting stuck right now at 80618. Yeah, I don't think we've broken 20 people in here yet, have we? Dragon Chain. XRP to the moon, says Slava. Smash the like. What's up, Wyatt? I appreciate the words, my man. I try to be as honest as I can. Let me check. Yeah. Yeah, that would be crazy if XRP went up that high. $200, $300 per coin. Could you imagine the XRP moon boys at that point? They'd be over the moon bullish on it. What did you say? What's up, Antonio? Can you fib Pingu? Dragon Chain and Pingu. Yeah, what is Dragon Chain? DRGN. Dragon Chain chart. Stuck at the 618. Yeah, it's holding up nicely here. Going just completely sideways on the smaller time frames. But is that what they call a Bart Simpson? Like a large Bart Simpson here. And now it's stuck again. It's doing the same exact thing. Uh-oh. Dragon Chain's about to go down. Double Bart Simpson. Bull runs over. Low to the high. You're over the 236. You hit it on that wick. So 5-1 is your price to hold. Stay bullish. And then of course the 0.5 there. And then if you can get over 8, you're going to be in good shape, because as we just went over, all of these candles got stuck. All of these weekly candles stuck and just died. And then just double bottomed higher low. Ran, got stuck again. Yeah, if this thing, I think we went over this last night. If we can get over 8, then you're in real good shape. Why is this over here? Oh, come on, that's so... Damn, why was that out to the side? New high, I guess. 560 million market cap for a 20x. Dragon Chain up to $1.50. Pingu. What? I don't know if that's on deck screen or not. Pingu. I guess we'll just pick any old chart. Pingu. This the right Pingu? Sitting at 11.5 pennies. What's up, Jesus? Listening while playing Gran Turismo 7. There's a 7? I had no idea there was a 7. I haven't played that game in ages. We will not have an alt season due to a recession, says David. Welcome in, David. Yeah, is this the right ping? We got the Awkwener world of the world. Awakener of the world. I can't read. You got Discord. I appreciate the 2. Yeah, we have a Discord. It's in the description on the channel, where you go find the Twitter and everything. It's in there. I actually forgot about the Discord. I rarely go to it. No one talks in it, but maybe one day we will when we get bigger. But I had to go in there and ban some more fake accounts of me. Every time I go in there, there's fake accounts, and I have to go ban everyone. But yeah, it's there. So hopefully people aren't getting scammed over there. Oh, we got 23 people in here. Alright, so ping here. Let's see. It looks like it came down to the final support. So until you get back over 19, bottom is not macro confirmed in. But if we go low to the high, yeah, it's right on the 618 final support, or 786 rather, final support at 11. So that very well could be the bottom on this thing. Unless it's going to pull a Myro and a win and everything else and just break down completely. But you did just break the trend here. So as long as you're below, it looks like 382,236 at 18.5 to 19. If you get back over that, you'll break back over the trend. As long as you're below that, you are on final support. You are dipping below it just a little bit here. So it needs to hold up with this wick and this little candle here at 11. If not, it's going to a new low. But that's all we can really do. I mean, no one knows if this thing's going to hit a new low, but it's going to drop 22% plus if it doesn't hold where it is right now. And then, let's see. Yeah, where's this thing going? Is it well known? 618 retracement takes you all the way up here where it got stuck back in March or in May. 65 would be a 5.5x, and then 786 retracement up to $1.11, 9.5x, and then if this one goes to a new high, $5, 522 would be a 44.5, almost a 45x, if that's the bottom. But not a bad looking chart. I mean, it's on the final bottom here, so it's either going to die or go up. David is possibly right. Recession by summer. Yeah, I don't listen to the news. If it's going to be a recession, it is, but I don't let it bother me, especially when a bull market's coming. Where do you buy Pingu at? I have to be able to buy stuff on Coinbase, Crypto.com, or Phantom Wallet, Solana scams. 22 people in here. 36 people voted. 22% say they didn't hit the like button. Jeez. With all the moves Turbo is making, is it possible to hit 50 cents? Yeah, I need to go. Let me go check my phone real quick. Someone said they sent me a Cash App earlier. Let's see if I need to go shout them out. With all the Turbo moves, can it hit 50? Oh, we're on the 3-day. That's why I can't see anything. It's possible. I think someone asked that before. We have the top here, 262272 at 40. Yeah, and I think we've said this before. If it doesn't get stuck at it, but if it wicks above it, it's very possible to hit 50. If it's going to go that high. Almost a 60x. Unless we have a recession and everything dies and it's over. XRP will change lives overnight. Bricks and transactions on XRPX maybe will be backed by gold. Okay. You saying go check out XRP? Yeah, if I had the funds, I would have bought XRP back here before it broke out. Still just kind of hanging around doing nothing on XRP. We say that, but then we zoom in. Yeah, XRP is consolidating right now. It looks like it could potentially be in a bull flag pattern, getting ready to go again. Let's see if this holds up. Oh yeah, once you draw it, then you see it, and then it's like, oh yeah, looks good. Only a matter of time before XRP starts going up again. Man, I have to draw a new one on here. Let's see, how many do I have on here? Yeah, I guess I need to update the XRP chart. These prices may not, or these market caps may not be right. But if XRP hits $100, 96 here, that is a 42.5x, almost a 43x. $240 would be a 100x on XRP. 105x. $5 to $28, they're saying. Degen still possible to 50 cents. Did we say that? If we said that, then it's probably still possible. It's just a little market correction at the moment. Looks horrible on the monthly. He called it a pit of despair. Where did our other fib go? Come on now. How did that get deleted? Yeah, to a 9 billion market cap, Degen, 50 cents, 52. That'd be a 50x. Realistic target would be a new high here. Just get your 16x and run up to 16. Turbo hits 0.1, be happy and take your money. Yeah, that's the way I'm gonna play it. Once I finally get some decent money back in, I lost so much money. I just typed your name in. But when things pump, I'm telling you guys right now, I am out. And if I make enough money this cycle, maybe in the bear market, I'll invest in some stocks with some dividends and put my money into some big projects in crypto that I know are going to go up. We'll play it smart. Will the market pull back more? As of right now, it looks like it, but we'll see. I don't think anyone has the answer to that. What's up, Crypto Shock? You're only an hour late. We're only an hour in. All right, let me do this before I forget. I keep meaning to go check my phone. Someone cash apped me, so let me go check that real quick. I'll be right back. What's up, T13? How you doing? Alright. Alright, we're back. Did we lose anyone? No, not really. 42 votes, so 81% hit the like button. Alright, what I missed? Let's see. AXGT target. Am I frozen? AXGT sitting on the 0.5 at the moment, has a very good looking chart. It's still curled up. Target on this one is the 1618, I guess, at 484. That's where we have the market cap. So a good solid almost 17x, 873 million market cap. But if you're looking for a conservative target, new high here, 7x to $2. What will confirm more of a pullback? No idea. If we start breaking down, I guess I would suggest invest in physical silver, the most undervalued asset in history. Yeah, I agree with that. I had some silver at one point, but as you guys know, I had to sell everything to. But yeah, I had a whole bunch of silver coins. Always wanted to buy a bar of silver. Ista said I've made 8K plus multiple times in single days and round tripped it. Wanting like 70x. Nice. What's up, Brad? Binging on base, is that what you're saying? And is there a top you can use the FID to see if some end of the cycle price ranges? Come on. Everything's acting slow again. But yeah, you're talking about binging on base, huh? AXGT is doing a burn, so the market cap is going to be lower. Okay. So it might go higher than that. Benji. Yeah, I hate the deck screener took away all my charts. Thought we looked at this one last night, though. Benji, possible top targets, he says. Let me see where we want to draw this at first. Better quit glitching out on me. But the overall chart doesn't look too bad. It made a lower low here, so that could tell us it's going to come down, but it is holding over the 0.5. It's getting stuck right now at the 618 at 29. But where's this one going to go? 29 million market cap. Well, to start with, the new high at 13 would be a 4.5x. But there's a whole bunch of targets here. I don't know where this thing's going to. It's going to 100 billion market cap. $2,272, 124, you have 42x. I said 100 billion. I meant 100 million. 100 billion market cap. Yeah, I don't know. 1-2 billion market cap maybe. If it goes that high on the other chart here. But if we draw it there, new high would be 18.5 and a 6.5x. I mean, there's no telling on these things, really. Okay, now my page finally loaded. 1 billion minimum. Okay. $1 billion. Market cap will do a what, 35x? 37x to a billion market cap. Not a bad looking chart though. All these base coins are going to be huge. We got Crypto Shock for 5. I appreciate that. Can you take a look at Tau for me? Yes, we can. What's up, Kubos? Do you think a PNG can hit $1 soon? He says Tau. TAO, PNG. I don't even know what it's at right now. 34. Oh, soon? There's no telling. I don't have a crystal ball to tell you that. But that's the next big target up once we break out over this box here. 1618 at 48. But right now we're holding up real good. It's in a real good spot, I would have to say. But as of soon, no idea. But I appreciate the 5. Let's look at Tau. Make sure that's what you said. Yep. It has really strong partnerships and content. Alright, so what is Tau doing? Alright, Tao's sitting on these green support lines. I don't remember why these are on the chart, but I would imagine they're based on something. But it's sitting right on this one right here. 450. Let's see, it's probably... not sure why these lines are here. I think I said that last time. But I had to put them there for some reason. Yeah, I'm trying to see why I have those lines there. I have no idea. I guess the 786618, but this one's not even lined up here. I don't know why. Maybe it just got moved. But if that's the case, then you're above the 618 at 429. That's your support to hold. But ultimately, the best thing we could do here is be this. You got stuck at the 2272 again. You're above the 382. And you can see it lines up right with that 618. So 421, as long as you're above that, and you're still bullish here. And you still have higher highs, higher lows. You're still holding the uptrend. So yet another one here that's on that final level. If it breaks down, then it's going to break structure and then go further down. And you can see if that's the case, high to the low, then breaking the 382 at 421 would probably send you down to the 618 and the 1618 all the way back down here. So depending on how the market's going to go here, yeah, 36% drop. But someone was saying that last night, you know, we could still be in store for 20, 30, 40% drops on everything. Momentum has shifted down. It's below 50. But the big price to beat, you just double topped, would be 728, that 2272 rather. And then this thing coming all the way up to pretty much $5 grand, 4922, 36 billion market cap, a 10.5x from today. Yeah, the overall chart does not look bad at all. Just going to depend on if support and everything holds where it is right now. But if it ends up going all the way to the top of the fib here, 11,800 would be a 26x. Let's see. Hold on. What did I miss? But I appreciate the 5. We have 4 super chats. We have a goal of 20. So we can keep streaming here. Not that I expect to hit it. It's just something. I'm going to utilize what the stream gives me here to play with. What's up, RH? I appreciate the 2. Ista, he says Mog. I appreciate the 2, my man. I think we're frozen because I can't hard it. Got to give it a minute. Alright, there we go. Mog, he says, I appreciate the 2. RH says, hi. Slava, did you receive money? No. I didn't realize the date comes on the weekend, so I'm not getting it till Monday. I did not get my check until Monday. Which that bummed me out earlier. I was really expecting my money today on the 21st. Dang, I'm still frozen. Alright, we gotta wait a minute. I'm frozen on my end. Alright, let's see if everything's working right because I got unplugged. Alright, you can still hear me. Music's still on. We're good to go. All right, Mog, he says. Yeah, only 15 people in here. We got 40 votes, 48 votes, and 40 likes. That's no bueno. What's up, Dan Cop, LCX? All right, let's take a look at Mog. Having trouble with my computer and my hand. My hand is sleeping. It's the way I'm holding my laptop. It's putting pressure right on my palm. Mog, what is Mog doing? Mog is coming down, but still overall very bullish macro chart. What did we say last time? Wherever the trend's going to be is coming into play. It looks like you're trying to break it, or you did break it. Now a fat red candle spawned in. So let's pull this out to where we can see it actually. Yeah, you're below the 382 and the 236, so as long as you're below 20 on Mog here, your support to watch is 2272. But the fact that it broke the little steep trend here and you're below the 382, if you lose 18 here, we do have the 0.5 a 14% drop, but we could easily hit a 618. So yet another one that broke the trend and could possibly drop another 30%. All the way down to, what is that, 5 zeros, 6 zeros, 1 3. Not the best of looks right now, so we'll see if he can get back over the 382 here at 20, then you're back to being bullish. So we'll see if this turns into a wick. But ultimately, you're over the 2272, below the 1618, 2618 rather. So macro, those are your prices to hold, but like I said, the overall chart looks extremely well. When Mog finally does bottom out, you know, this one's going to be a real good play. Mog, our two targets here from where you are in price today, if you hold up, 3618, 18.5x up to 4038, and then the top of the fib here. Nice, that's a decent move. 58 billion market cap and a 74x up to 3015 on Mog. I mean, she's already been climbing up the whole ladder here. Why not to the top? Mog's a good one. Mog, he says LCX. What's up, TI? He says Ponky. Yeah, LCX is still in the same spot pretty much. All these coins we cover all the time on the channel here, they're in the same spot. They're holding up. Coming down but holding up. If that makes sense. Let's see what this one's doing. Alright, so LCX is below the 236. I don't know if it was last time we looked at it. So as long as you're below 27, yeah, that 27 level has always come into play. You did wake down already, but you're below it, so it does put in place. Still dropping 16.5% to the 382 and the 618. 21 down to 20. 20% drop possible. As it's still being bearish here. But if we zoom out, you can clearly see double bottom with the higher low went to the moon. And now a V-shaped recovery, double topped. So time to come back down and make a low or higher low. Can you imagine if that happens? All the way back down here for another move up. Sometimes you just got to zoom out to the monthly macro of charts and just see what's really going on. Oh, come on. I think I did an LCX update today, so maybe go check that out. Be more informed. 6x to $1.60, 1.2 billion market cap would be your next big stop here. He says, Ponky, what's up, Hamid? How you doing, my man? So is it possible for XRP to hit those prices you mentioned? Which ones you talking about? You talking about the 200 and the 100? Ponky. Yeah, it's a shame we got to redo all these charts on Deck Screener. Ponky, let's see here. I mean, all the work we put into these things is just gone. It looks like low to the high. You're sitting right on the 236 here. At 3.4, that level. But yeah, it's holding over the 236. The overall chart looks extremely well. Ponky, here's another one that's going to be big. As long as you hold that, you're good. If you fall down 17, you would still be bullish. But the fact that you're making higher lows is probably going to stay. And then, where can we draw this at? See what's being respected here on Ponky. Alright, if we do this one, high, low, you came up twice, got stuck at the 2 at 75, and you're holding over the 1618 at 32. So you're bullish over the 236, you're holding over the 1618. Price to beat is 75. And then where's this one going? Bullish chart all the way up here already. Probably going to go to the top of the fib at some point when it goes vertical. Oh, maybe. Pfft. What was that, a 300x? 325x. 107. Is that possible? Next big target up, though, after 75, if you hold and bounce, 75 would be 137 and a 4x. So if the chart stays, we'll leave this here and we'll get a giant candle spawning in. But like I said, overall chart looks extremely well. Ponky's a one that people know about. Ponky to the moon. We probably should all just buy Ponky. What other ones are there? Mog, of course. Just pile into all the big meme coins. 100 and 200. I mean, anything's possible. Some people think so. Hopefully I wasn't muted through all that. But since we're back on here real quick. XRP. Looking bullish right now. But this is just my opinion. My opinion has always been $5, 280 billion market cap. That's it. And maybe you hit this $8. $8, maybe you go up to $10. Those are my targets. But like he was saying earlier, you know, if it hits $100, $200, you know, so be it. But I wouldn't think so, but you never know. XRPs, you know, It just made and broke this high. It's no longer under the shadow of all the lawsuits, I think. Look at the overall chart. It's a very bullish looking chart. XRP to the moon, I guess. You also got to take into account the market cap, but if you believe it's going to overtake Bitcoin and be the best, one of the biggest cryptos out there, then why not, I guess. We got Christopher Downs for 20. I appreciate that, my man. Keep the videos coming, bud. Thanks for the updates on all our favorite tokens. I appreciate that, my man. Got our 5th super chat of the day for 20. I appreciate that a lot. First super chat. I appreciate that, Christopher. Christopher for the win. I wish they could integrate Cash App into this to where you can either super chat or Cash App just instantly, but they got to take their cut. YouTube has to take their cut, huh? Appreciate that though, a lot. Thanks, bro. Says TI. It's straight, but the market makers keep trying to wick me off. Harlem says QNT. Slava says no panky. Schmanky for me. I stay on XRP. Yeah, I wish I could have bought XRP. I wish I could have bought a lot of things, but now I have to deal with the hand I'm dealt, see what I can get. QNT. What's QNT doing? You're still over the support. Still over the 382, so you are still technically bullish, but it's been pulling back. But she's bullish over 105 here. Double 382, so you're bullish over that level. Any lower than that, then of course 618 retracement, which is right below that. I don't even know what that level is there for, but it's there for a reason. Any lower than that, then another 22% drop down. But it's not in a bad spot overall. The fact that you broke structure here, the lower highs finally, with this wick, you got over that. It's overall macro bullish here. And then QNT, where are we going? The top target here, 21.5, 22x would be 2,000 plus, 27.5 billion market cap. People think it's going way higher than that, so that's the conservative target, I guess. Some people have crazy price predictions for stuff like QNT, but who wouldn't take a 20x? Conservative more, 1300, 1414, 23.4 billion market cap, 13x, and then the new high here is probably more definitely likely going to get hit, if that makes sense. 960, $1,000, 12.5 or 12.8 to 13 billion market cap for a 9 to 10x. But there's some people holding tons of coins here on QNT. So if it goes over 2 grand, then I guess you made it. You think the Bitcoin dominance may finally stop? How long have we been in here? Alright, got 52 votes. Alright, the coffin has started. It's over. Yeah, the dominance is not falling yet, so it's back above. And then, if you guys were here for it, last couple of streams we've been showing this. It's just a fake out. Monthly candles holding up nicely in the channel, so we're not going anywhere. On a serious human being level, you've got to be a real pile of dump the market days before Christmas. We'll see. Maybe we'll have a Christmas rally. I know that's what a lot of people are saying, ain't it? Come down lower any day now. Got 25 people in here. What to look at now? We pretty much looked at everything, huh? ACH with the double bottom, triple bottom. Yeah, what are the what's up, Chick Kick and April? Welcome back. LCX and Soul. Yeah, we just looked at LCX. And I just did an update on it on the channel. And LCX. Damn it. LCX pretty much in the same spot. It's below the 236. Maybe it gets bought back up over 27. If not, then you're coming down to the 382618 here. So it's at 27 right now. If it can hold, the price to beat is 35. But like I said, and I said earlier, any lower than a 24% drop down to 20, just try to stay bullish here. Solana is probably not doing anything. No, Solana's dying. Does that mean the Solana coins are dying? All the meme coins? So we were in this bullish pattern here. We broke out. So we're back testing it right now on Solana. Pretty much hitting it perfectly on that trend on the top of our pattern. Oh, come on. Just below the 382, hitting the trend. So you still could hit 170 and still hit, because we could just pull this all over the place. So we'll just do that. 170 is the price to hold right now. 189 is the price to get back over to get back to being bullish on Solana. But right now, it hit, got stuck, and it's dumping down. Possibly for a good back test here. But you're below the 382. If you fall back down below inside the pattern here, 618 retracement of 15% drop is possible. But yeah, we smacked right into the high from back here in 2021. Didn't quite hit it, and then we're trying. Solana to 700, 300 billion market cap is a almost 300% move, so almost a 4x. Look at Beam. What do you mean by that? Does Bitcoin, or does altcoin or Bitcoin show the seeing? Altcoin or Bitcoin dominance doesn't show the Christmas rally. Who wants to joke me? Can you check Bitcoin dominance? One of the saddest charts I've seen. Could be Solana to 1,000. My target's always been about 700, but yeah, we're seeing this a lot on a lot of things. This big, huge cup and handle. Unless you're talking about a smaller one. Slava, you're just bullish all the way, huh? Well, no, you said the recession's coming. Well, I guess you said next summer, so. Yeah, every time I try to scroll up here, this thing freezes. Alright, Beam and Mobile. Sol is heavily oversold. Yep. Well, depending on what time frame you look at. But yet again, looking at Sol hitting here, it just everything looks like it needs to bounce. Not saying it will, but Beam is holding pretty over the 618. It's holding structure. Looks good over 2.5. Nice wick. So as long as you hold that, price to beat is the 3 penny range. Oh yeah, see BMX, here's another one I guess we don't have a chart for. Well, yeah, we do. Beam to a new high. 150% move, but if it's going to hit a 15 billion market cap to 30 cents pretty much, 10x, 11x to that market cap. But the overall chart's curled up here. It looks very good. Holding structure, that's what you always want to see. Mobile. Oh no, mobile's coming down. Yeah, you're down below the 236 3-day candle close. As long as you're below that. Let's see what we're at. Right on the 618 support. So 001 is your price to hold. And if it loses that, then of course it would still hold the short-term structure coming down to the 7-day 6 at 307. Dropping. I don't know why I grabbed that to measure. But that 201, the price to hold, or yet another one here for a 20% drop plus. But if you can get back over 106, get back over the 236, 618, then you're in good shape. Bullish over 001. Confirmed breakout over 28, 0028. And then this one, 1.7 billion market cap for a 21x up to 2 pennies. New high at 1 penny, 1.5 would be a 15x. So conservative price, new high on this one would be a 15x. Very conservative price up to 004, a little over 4x. And then if you think this thing's going to hit over 3 pennies, 36x, 2.6 billion market cap. On the daily, okay. XYO says April. Got a Fort video coming in next few days. Fort. Yeah, next couple of days. Trying to run through the list. XYO. What am I looking for? Yeah, XYO is just dying now after that strong move up. Let's see. Yeah, you're hitting the 382 right now from the low to the high. So 1.6 is your price to hold. You're at 1.9. Any lower than that, then of course you have the 0.5 on the macro. But right now you're hitting the move up, move back down support. So if you drop 13% and you take that out, you could hold here 19-20% drop. And any lower than that, then it's done for a good while. Dang, I gotta scroll again. Oh, you ask if Solana retested the breakout. You're neutral, not bullish. Stock market looks like shit. What's up, Maddie? How you doing? Yeah, it's still just a waiting game. I mean, we can look at all the charts all we want, but all you can really say is we're either going to break down, it's over for now, or we're going to bounce and move back up. It's the crypto market for you. It's the whole market, the whole world for you. You never know what's going to happen day to day. Boy, did I learn that this year. Brutal year. Looks Bitcoin going to have a wave 4 on the Elliott wave. Yeah, I never did use the Elliott wave. Fort. I mean, I played with it, but oh, that's fourth. What am I doing? Ample fourth, Fort. But yeah, Fort will be coming out probably in 2 or 3 days. So I'm sticking to my list, and then I'm throwing more in there on the side list, because all the new stuff we've been covering and adding. Trying to see what sticks. So where's Fort going? 786 retracement, $1.40, 675 million market cap for an 11.5x. Right now she's dying. On the 618, seeing a lot of this. Things are dying, but they're sitting on support. Question is, are they going to hit the final support or die? So the price to hold on Fort right now is 11.8, pretty much 12 pennies. You're at 11.9, and if you lose that, you're going down to 10. And another 13-14% drop here. Not bullish till you get back over 14.7 and a macro bottom in over 19. But it's like we keep saying, I mean, we're trying to hold, we're holding on support levels. A lot of things are trying to hold trends, as we can see here on Fort. Ski mask dog. We got Christopher for welcome to the Horde. I appreciate that, my man. Welcome in. Welcome to the. Well, thank you for joining. Welcome to the Horde. I appreciate that. Turbo falling apart. What's up, Eldor? Yeah, so is everything else. I mean, to a degree. Not. I mean, falling apart, but it's still holding up. Where is Turbo? Yeah, we looked at Turbo earlier. See, it's still holding our green support level. But yeah. But you are above the 382 right now. So as long as you're above, what is that? 0078, you're still technically low to the high bullish here. But the overall chart doesn't look bad. But you could put the same narrative pretty much on every coin right now. We look like crap, but we're bullish and holding up. Ski mask. Ski mask. Alright, let's go over to ski mask real quick before I forget. Hopefully we still have a ski chart. Let's see. Yeah, I think we looked at this one last night, didn't we? Oh no, we gotta be bearish on everything. Come on. Alright, there we go. I knew we had a chart. Yeah, we went over this, I believe, at the beginning of the live stream yesterday. You're down below, you lost the 1414 support you were holding, just flat there. 2.5, so that does put in play coming down to the 1272 at 13. So as long as you're below that, you're dropping here. But you're sitting right on the 236 at 17. I believe, yeah, we said the same thing last night, but 17 is your price to hold. 25 is your price to beat, but if you lose 17, then you're going to drop 30%. down to 13.4, 13.5. But it's doing what it did here. A pull back and then it went up. Pull back and then it's going to go up again. But an overall very bullish looking chart here. Should have bought ski here. Well, I guess since we're here. Yeah, we looked at Sol, Ordi. Oh yeah, I forgot about Win. Anita Max Win. What is this one doing? This is another good one on Solana. Potentially. One that Drake tweeted about. But he's probably never going to tweet about it again. He made his money. He made all that. Need a max win. New high on this one, 180x. Are you serious? 180x? Oh man. Yeah, Solana's coming down. So what are these other coins doing? Yeah, Billy's dying. Oh, just made a lower low. It's a nice try. Everything's coming back down for us to buy in. Man, if I only had money at these prices. Samo. It's probably the wrong chart. Yep. Oh, come on. Oh, that's the right one. Yep, Samo's coming down. Hasn't broke the downtrend. Samo's another good potential play, depending on where it's going to bottom out here. 6x to the new high. I'm just curious, so. Used car is still a good buying opportunity, coming down again. Of course, we lost the chart on it. Sol already sucks. It's going to 0. Yeah, it just made a lower low from the last time I looked at it again. Every time we look at it, we got to pull this down because it's going lower. All right, let me get back over to the chat. Harlem says Beam. Yeah, we looked at Beam. Did you miss it? We got Saul Goodman, member for 1 month. I appreciate that. Daygen looking bad. Best time to buy. Yeah, we've looked at Daygen several times. I mean, it's still holding a penny. I'm still holding my little peanut bag, so half of my peanuts are gone. But she seems to be holding this penny area good at the moment. But you are below 0.5618. Next stop, if it's going to go lower, 008 down here. So we'll see what happens tomorrow, I guess, and then Monday. But if it loses a penny, it's going to drop another 21-22%. But overall, it is holding the structure here, higher lows. And then Beam, because I think you missed it real quick here. Beam, just real quick. Beam is sitting above the 618. Nice looking wick, nice looking candle, nice looking overall chart. As long as we hold the structure here, we're good. Seems to pretty much be holding the uptrend. Not perfect, but you get it. 2.5 is the price to hold, 3.2 is the price to beat. And Beam for 10, 11x to 30 cents, 15.6 billion market cap. Or conservative price, 11, be a 4x from today. But overall bullish looking chart here as long as it doesn't break down. what is wrong with ABT. Slava says, only hope we have one more push to the upside with stock market and cryptos. Me too. What's up, metal detecting? Welcome back. ABT and farm. Yeah, we looked at ABT already. ABT looks really good. She's coming down, but it's still holding structure. She's coming down, but as long as this structure holds and we don't break down, as long as we don't break down below $1.20, this bottom formation that we watched on everything is in play. At 150, you're sitting on the 0.5. 136 is next. So if we come down and get a 618 retracement, another 9% drop. But the only thing I see is the chart. This pattern right here is very bullish. The way I said that was very bearish. This pattern is so bullish. Yeah, but I'm looking for this thing to spike up soon if it holds, which if I had money right now, I'd buy this thing. Arc block on Coinbase. She's about to do a 2x or 3.5x. Farm. I forgot farm. Farm just broke the 236 support. So bottom is no longer macro confirmed in. Lost the 0.5236, so 618 is next. I mean, you did form a wick here, so like I keep saying, if these things hold up, then we're good. But as long as you're below those levels, the support to watch, 618, 40, 17% drop. Really needs to hold that or to end up breaking this low potentially. And then it's done. But you said prediction, where can this thing end up? 786 retracements. Up to 424, 425 would be a 287 million market cap. I probably need to update this, but you just see that, excuse me, that alone, 8.5x from where you are today. 618 retracement up to 221, 4.5x. I think that's what I'm going to do if I ever get back in. When my stuff 2, 3, 4x's, I'm going to get out, go to something else. Once it 2x's again, I'll get out and go to something else. Just keep rotating your money, and every time you 2x it. Yeah, I'm doing good. Why is everyone buying DGen? Only reason I bought it is because the chart looked good, and then it died after I bought it. Do you recommend buying or waiting for more dips? I don't recommend anything, but we're still not bullish yet. Can farm hit all-time high? I don't know what the all-time high is. I don't know if this chart is correct. This is a Binance chart. What I've been doing lately is when I update coins, I'm going and trying to find the best charts closest to the highs and the lows that I can find. Which I'll have to do that at some point. It's just between doing videos and sitting and staring at the wall, I don't have the time to constantly be looking at charts and doing this constantly, which I do a lot, but sometimes I prefer just sitting and staring at the wall. not doing anything. I don't know. It's always a possibility. If you think it's going to hit a 1.8 billion market cap on this chart, this Binance chart, that would be a 56x up to 2,700. 1.8 billion market cap. OG Jerry's back in the house. How's it going, my man? He says, can you do Mudang? Yeah, we can do Mudang. You still holding your Litecoin? Let's see here. I know I have a chart on here, but I was looking on Deck Screener. Well, I thought we had a chart. Oh yeah, what about Moo? I forgot about Moo, the cow. Alright, we're gonna have to redo the chart. What are we on? 3 day? Alright, let me use two hands here. Still an overall very bullish looking chart here. Yeah, wasn't it back here back in the day when we were looking at it and I wanted to buy it? Damn, I should have bought it. Just made a lower high and it's coming down, so let's just see what it tells us. See what we're holding. Yeah, this thing came out and went to the absolute moon. So macro, you're still above 5.7, so you're still above the 236 there. Come on. But here you just lost the 382 support. So as long as you're below 2.7, 2.0 is the price. The price to hold. So as long as you're below that, 17-18% drop here. And then draw one more, high to the low. There's no wicks on those candles, so that's unfortunate. But you're sitting right on the 786 support here. You got stuck perfectly at the 1414, lost that, then you got stuck at the 1272. Now you're coming down off of the lower high. So 238, if you want a better price to hold, would be that. And then any lower than that, 27% drop down to 17. I think we just said the 17 price, but if it holds here, then you do run the possibility of hitting the new next target. Would be a 4x up to 9.8, pretty much $1. Not bad. And then after that would be about $1.90, $2. So many things you can draw on these coins. And then right now, short term, if we can get back over 30, bottom is in and bullish over the previous high at 35. How long we've been streaming? Over 2 hours already. Let's see. Yeah, you're still holding Litecoin. Waiting for this stuff to update. What's up, CD? Shadow coin is dumping hard. Shadow, one of the ones dying. What is the ticker for that? I'll just type it in. Shadow. Yeah, why do we have this on the chart? Alright. Yet another chart that has that large bowl pattern. Cup and handle bowl, whatever you want to call it. Man, my voice is going out again. Yeah, hot. High to the low, you hit the 618. She's dying here. She's below the 382. And if we go low to the high, yeah, you just lost a 0.5 support, so you're coming up on the 618. So this 4.4 up to 4.8 is your support level to hold. But as long as you're below 0.5382, 17 to a 24% drop. That's what we're seeing on a lot of things. Momentum have shifted. So depending on how far this thing goes down, as of right now, a new high on this one, $6.30 would be a 10x, 10.5x. SD starting to break down. Sandbox is breaking down. Let's see here. 66 votes, 83% said they hit the like button. What, 40 likes? Let me refresh. Okay, we got 53 likes. Finally got a refresh. Yeah, if I ever get the money again, I'm gonna get back in, because I'm never gonna be rich enough to buy gold, but I want to get my silver coins back and buy some silver. And then one day, I would like a gold bar. That'd be nice to have. Just have some silver, a bunch of silver, a silver bar, and some gold, and a gold bar or two in a safe. Nice big safe with all your guns and all your gold and all your silver. Let's see. Yeah, I guess that's a question I can ask. As long as you don't show guns, but you guys own guns? You guys gun owners? Anyone in the chat, guys and girls? Do you like shooting guns? We got 25 people in here. We're holding up over 20. That's good to see. I guess there's no one else streaming right now, huh? Let me go look. Yeah, no one I follow streaming. Just bearish times right now. What is Ethereum doing? Still trying to hold the 786 here on Ethereum. What is that? Yo, I didn't even realize we need 11 subscribers and we're gonna hit 10,000. 11 subscribers and we're gonna hit 10,000. Is that gonna happen now? I didn't even realize we were that close. The goal was to hit 10,000 before the end of the year, so we're gonna hit it early. Trying to get back over to the chat. Had to refresh everything. Oh, come on. All right, back live. 54 likes. Let's go. What did I miss? Stay strapped, my friends. M&P Shield is the carry, and Mossberg. Tactical pump. You own a shotgun here in the UK, but it's locked away in the loft. Yeah. I don't think I've heard anybody say the loft in forever. Crypto Shock, SIG P365. Oh. Slava says Glock 34, AK 47. Harlem says, how is the real all-time high season going to be? Will it be crazy like everyone is saying? I think it will be. But we'll see what happens. CD says, let's get 11 subs. It'll probably happen after stream. There's no one in here. Well, there's 31 people now. Sorry, that's a positive. Let's see. Come on. Is there anything we didn't look at that we usually look at? What is that, Floki? Loki to the moon. Fox is trying to hold up. Gala. Yeah, I guess tomorrow's stream I'll label it the 10K subs. It's probably not going to happen now. I gotta go see what the dogs are barking at. Do you think XCN has more growth potential than Jasmine? That's a good question. I don't know. Yeah, we'll leave it on XCN for a minute. It's got way better multipliers, I'll say that. Jasmine's older, so probably. Alright, I'll be back in a moment. The dogs are going crazy. Alright, we still here. I guess it's about time to end it. We pretty much talked about everything. Probably overnight we'll get 10K subs. Then we'll do a 10K stream tomorrow. A huge milestone. Maybe we'll start growing real fast after that. Let's see if I can get anything to reload. Alright, so come on. Alright, yeah, we'll leave it at that for now. We'll be back tomorrow. Way over 2 hours here. 67 votes, 84%. I'll end the poll. Let's end the poll. We got 5 of our 20 super chats. Oh, 8 minutes left on the goal. That's crazy. What did I do? But yeah, with that being said, I appreciate you guys coming in here. I appreciate the super chats, the support, everything we do here. One of these days we'll go up and we'll get more people in here. But until then, none of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching. Good luck. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.